Students, today we are going to learn about the accessory organs of the digestive system. They are pancreas, liver and the biliary tract. First, we shall see the pancreas. The pancreas is a pale grey gland. It weighs about 60 grams and it is 12 to 15 centimeters long. It is situated in the epigastric and the left hypochondriac region of the abdominal cavity. We have the model of the pancreas here. It is a leaf-like structure, the broad and that is called head. The middle portion is known as body and then the narrow part is known as tail. It lies, the first portion lies in the C shape of the duodenum. Then the body lies behind the stomach and the tail lies in front of the left kidney. The pancreas has both exocrine as well as the endocrine functions. What we can see in the center portion, that is the pancreatic duct that drains the pancreatic juice. This is common bile duct. The bile from the gallbladder that is stored, that is being brought into the ampulla of water in response to the fatty foods for its digestion. Here we can see the portal vein. The deoxygenated blood from the pancreas through the pancreatic duct, it goes to the portal vein and then it goes to the liver. The rich nutrients are being absorbed by the liver and the arterial blood supply is by the abdominal aorta. The branch of the abdominal aorta is celiac artery that provides the oxygenated blood to the pancreas. And we shall see the functions of the exocrine pancreas. It consists of the large number of lobules that has a signing. The secretion is being secreted by the secretory cells that are situated on the wall of the pancreas. Each lobule drains the secretion into the tiny duct and eventually it becomes a pancreatic duct, which extends along the whole of the length of the gland and it opens at the pancreatic duct where it joins to the bile duct and forms the hepatopancreatic ampulla. The duodenal opening of the ampulla is controlled by the hepatopancreatic sphincter or known as sphincter of Oddi. The function of the exocrine pancreas is to produce a pancreatic juice that contains the enzymes and they are in the forms of inactive precursors that helps for the digestion of the carbohydrate, protein and fat. The endocrine pancreas, it is distributed throughout the gland. The groups of the specialized cells known as islets of Langerhans. There are three types of cells. Alpha cells that produces the glucagon that increases the blood sugar level. The beta cells that produces insulin that lowers down the blood sugar level and the delta cells that secretes the somatostatin hormone. The blood supply to the pancreas is by the splenic and the mesenteric arteries, and the venous drainage is by the veins of splenic and mesenteric veins.